Hello John, today I will show you how to insert a rectangle symbol in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will insert a rectangle symbol, not a shape. And this is Foxit sign option, this top menu bar, and click here. This is rectangle option. Select and put. You can increase decrease this rectangle size as many as you want. And you can change the rectangle color and its custom color. Get this color, select OK, and insert another one. Increase decrease size, and you can customize and this way and change color, make it red color and select OK and see this. Another one. And see this. Yeah, this is. In this way, you can insert rectangle symbol in your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.